Ministries presents
your Bible verse for today.
And it comes from the book of 1 Peter, chapter 4, verse 10, which reads, "Each of you should use whatever gifts you have received to serve others as faithful stewards of God's grace in its various forms."
This verse is a reminder that every individual has unique gifts given to them by God, and it is our duty to use those gifts to serve others and glorify God. Paul expands on this idea in Romans chapter 12, verses 6 through 8, of using our gifts to serve others in various ways. He says, "We have different gifts according to the grace given to each of us. If your gift is prophesying, then prophesy in accordance with your faith. If it is serving, then serve. If it is teaching, then teach. If it is to encourage, then give encouragement. If it is giving, then give generously. If it is to lead, do it diligently. If it is to show mercy, do it cheerfully." So let us remember to use our unique gifts to serve others and be faithful stewards of God's grace.
On behalf of Storm Ministries,
Have a blessed rest of your day.
Lord, I'm